In this video, I will share with you where the opportunities for real estate investors are in 2026 and how you can identify them right away. Hi, I'm Humberto Gomez. I have been a realtor since 2006, working in the region of Waterloo and the surrounding areas, and I'm also a real estate investor. Just to clarify, any predictions that I make here are just educated guesses based on the information that we have available. So we cannot guarantee what will happen in the future. Well, due to the economic uncertainty generated by the trade war with the US, many home buyers have become fearful about their job security. And they have postponed their moving plans. All of this has generated a market shift. Now we have reached levels of inventory of homes for sale that hasn't been seen for decades. Home prices have come down a little bit also, and more importantly, now home buyers and investors have the opportunity to negotiate better terms when presenting an offer. And as we discussed on a different video, these conditions will likely change. And once the uncertainty disappears, and when that happens, home prices will most likely go up again. So where are the opportunities? If you are or you want to be an investor, the main opportunity at the present time is buying properties at a lower price. But how can you identify if a property will be a good deal or not? Well, when it comes to evaluating investment property, the main thing that you have to review are the numbers. What I mean by this is that the rental income must be big enough to generate a good return on your investment. For this, we created a tool to make this process very simple. You just type in the price, the rent, and other figures, and it automatically tells you how good of an investment a property is. Because there are so many listings available, you will want to quickly narrow down your list to the ones that really have the potentials. So after evaluating many listings ourselves with our evaluating tool, we noticed that with the current market conditions and interest rates, if a home is listed above $620,000, it most likely won't work. So we save ourselves a lot of work by ruling out the listings above this price point. But if the properties we are considering are duplexes, we focus on properties below $850,000. Once we narrow down our lists of options, then we dig deeper and do a more detailed analysis. Before even going to see a property, we make sure that it meets at least our minimum investing requirement. Otherwise, we won't even bother, and we just look for something else. After we visit the property, then we decide to whether or not we'll put an offer on it. And if we do, we start negotiating to get an even better deal. And this approach helps us to keep the process very easy, effective, and efficient. As simple as that. Other opportunities for investors are converting a home into a multi-unit property to increase the income, or if you cannot afford to invest by yourself, you have the option of teaming up with someone to join forces and invest together. There are a lot of opportunities. Feel free to reach out for a free coaching, no strings attached. This coaching will be tailored to your goals and your needs, and we'll share with you our holistic approach to real estate, where in addition to real estate, we also review the tax and mortgage aspects to make your investment even more profitable. We will also give you the tool that we use to evaluate if a property is a good investment, so you can evaluate any property yourself. You will also get a hard copy of our award-winning book, Living in a Diamond Mine, where you will find the blueprint to build wealth by using your home as the starting vehicle. And as I said, no strings attached. This is Humberto Gomez, and we look forward to hearing from you.